I'm an accountant, and if you think my job is just spreadsheets and calculators, let me tell you about the month our accounts receivable almost swallowed us whole. It started with a familiar pattern. Sales looked great, but the bank balance didn't.
Our aging report was screaming, too many invoices sitting in 60 and 90 days.
The team's mood was, they'll pay eventually. I knew eventually doesn't cover payroll,
so I treated collections like a story with chapters. Chapter 1. Clean the data. I matched payments to invoices, fixed duplicate customer records, and confirmed our terms, because you can't collect what you can't clearly prove. Chapter 2. Segment the problem. I grouped accounts by risk and relationship. Longtime customers got a friendly reminder and a quick call. Chronic late payers got firmer language, shorter terms, and a hold on new orders until they caught up. Chapter 3. Make it easy to pay. We added payment links on invoices and scheduled polite reminders before due dates, not after. Then came the tense moment. Our biggest client, 3 invoices past due, stopped returning emails. I called their AP manager, not to threaten, but to ask what was broken. Turns out our invoices were missing a required PO number. We corrected it that day and had a payment by Friday. By month's end, cash stabilized, and sales finally meant money. The lesson? Collections isn't confrontation. It's clarity, consistency, and the courage to pick up the phone.